After watching this video, you will be able to make this epic glow animation in After Effects. First things first, duplicate your logo layer by selecting it and hitting Ctrl D on the keyboard. We're gonna use the Deep Glow plugin for this tutorial, so go to the effects panel and add the Deep Glow onto the layer that's on the top. Now you can change the settings of how much glowiness you want to have, but I'm only gonna lower the radius a bit. Next, activate the pen tool. You can do it this way or by hitting G on the keyboard. Then while your top layer is selected, create a mask around the letters or the object that you want the glow effect to be applied to. You can zoom in on the screen to better view the task in hand. I'm gonna speed this part up, but yeah, keep on doing this, and if you make a mistake you can adjust the mask edges like this. I mean, I haven't done the most perfect job here, but that will do. Now to animate this effect, go back to the beginning frame and select your top layer. Hit T on the keyboard and click on the stopwatch, then change the opacity to 0% and move 30 frames forward, and then change the opacity to 100%. Then move 30 frames forward again and change the level to 50%. Move 30 more frames and reset the value back to 100%. After that, to make it easier for yourself, just select the third and fourth keyframes, copy them using Ctrl C, and then paste them to make life easier. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.